In this video, I'm going to guide you through the basics of foam rolling your chest. Before we begin, here's a quick visual reminder of the area we'll be targeting in this video. We'll either be using a tennis ball or lacrosse ball for this technique. This can be done from a kneeling position, as I will be in the video, or standing. Make sure the discomfort does not exceed a 6 out of 10. If a lacrosse ball feels too intense, switch to a softer tennis ball. If the tennis ball doesn't offer enough pressure, opt for the more firm lacrosse ball. Extend the arm on the side that you're working on to open up the chest. Use your other hand to roll the ball against your chest, applying intentional pressure to ensure that you penetrate the multiple muscle layers. Make small back and forth movements with the ball. As you do this, you'll find some areas that are a bit more tender. These are where we have knots or additional tension. At these spots, we want to incorporate some joint action. So choose a spot to pause the ball on the muscle, then move the arm across your body and back or straight up and down. Doing this is going to help target the knots by getting the muscle to move under the ball's pressure. We'll spend 60 seconds on each side. You want to choose 2 to 3 of these trigger points or knotted areas to move the muscle under the pressure of the ball. As you switch sides, let's touch on the science behind what we're doing. Self-myofascial release, like foam rolling, helps release muscle tightness and trigger points or knots. These knots, built up over time, can disrupt normal muscle function, which will lead to reduced mobility or a locking of the joints. Applying pressure to these areas increases the blood flow, assists in muscle recovery, and ultimately improves overall mobility. It's an essential practice for keeping your muscles working smoothly and maintaining your body's optimal performance.